In this video I'm gonna show you how to doing face massage. What is the process and stages of massage on the face massage and how are the movements? Let's see in this following video. Prepare and pour massage cream on a small cup to taste. Rub both palms until they feel warm. Then place your palms on both ears. Rub both palms again until they feel warm. Then stick it to the forehead and chin area and rub it. Rub both hands again until they feel warm, then stick it. Rub both palms again until they feel warm. Then stick the two eyes, rub the two palms back up. Feel warm, then stick it on the surface of the two eyes connected. And continue with massage movements vertically from the nose to the forehead. From bottom to top using both thumbs. Put a little pressure on the following points. Using both middle finger and thumb. Put a little pressure on the 2 points under the eyes, with both middle fingers together. The following is a typing gesture using fingers under the chin. Apply massage cream on several points of the forehead. Right cheek and left chin and apply evenly. Do the pressure using the second part of the palm of the hand. Glides from the top of the nose to the forehead. Do the same movement on the forehead area, sliding from right to left. And continue from left to right. This is also called a floors movement. The next movement is a rotational movement and then wipes. Next movement, stick the second middle finger and ring finger on the forehead, cross between the two, then do a zigzag movement. Slide from right to left and from left to right. Do 2 to 3 times, end in the middle, then slide. Horizontal movement, right and left, continue sliding motion. Vertically. From the top of the nose to the forehead using the palm. Right and left. Alternately give a little pressure and vibration. Close with rotational movements on the left and right temples simultaneously. Then type in the right and left eye area. Pinch gently and slowly in the right and left eyebrow area. Then continue the rotation on the second part of the under eye area. Continue the vertical gliding motion of the forehead from top to bottom. Right and left simultaneously, do 3 to 5 times. Continue the massage movement in the nose area using the middle finger. Right and left rotate simultaneously. Close the 2 index fingers and middle fingers right and left. Then do a cross movement on the nose area. Close the 3 fingers right and left, do a rotational movement. Following the cheek area like this, continue with pinching the cheeks. Alternately right and left, then swipe. Do this movement by pinching the direction up so that the cheeks are tight and lifted. Attach the backs of both hands. Then do a sliding motion to follow the shape of the cheek area like the following movement. Do this movement 3 times. While doing this movement 3 times in a row, repeat this movement 3 times alternately. Put your palms together, place them between your 2 chins, then make a sliding motion towards your cheeks. From top to bottom like the following movement, repeat 3 times or 5 times. Give it a little vibration at the same time. Next movement, stick the 3rd finger, then make rotational movements starting from the chin towards the bottom of the ear. Right and left simultaneously, continue the way. Rub the bottom of the chin right and left. Alternately continue the cutting motion using the index finger and middle finger right and left together repeatedly. End by wiping the lower chin, sliding down the cheeks. Then to the right and left forehead repeatedly. As the last movement, smooth and slow massage on the head. Rotation. And do it repeatedly until the client feels comfortable. That's the explanation of the stages. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to click subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And share this video to make it more useful.